Yeah. Band.
What's that on that beat? Oh.
Yo. August, what it is, pimp?
Smoking till you go now.
Yeah. She was already on deck before I ever met her. Young Bob in the building looking like Hugh Hefner on these heifers. Man, I swear somebody better tell her.
Hey guys, we're preparing an official Louisiana shrimp style cuisine here. We got all our spices, paprika, Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, chili powder, garlic powder, lemon powder. And we're about to make it. So we'll see you here in the next clip here.
We're just gonna shake them around so it'll all be even, baby.
Okay, awesome guys. So you got your shrimp in here with all your spices, right? So what else are we gonna need? We're gonna need butter, and we're gonna need a tablespoon of olive oil. Lemons are preferred, but you don't have to if you don't want to. So we're gonna put a little, a little splash in there, and then we're gonna get a little. Oh, we're gonna get a little bit. How am I gonna do that with butter? All right, here we go. I'll do maybe like a half. Maybe like a half of that, yeah. All right, and then we'll see you here in a little bit.
Alright guys, I think it's ready to put in the shrimp, so let's do this. So we're doing mine first, and then second, Christian's gonna do his. So let's get started. Need a burner. I'm gonna wait a little bit and then switch them over. So now we're just waiting for them to
Crispy up.
Yep. Alright, now we're putting in Christian shrimps. There we go. Moving around. Wow, it looks already good. Put the seasoning
All right,
in
we'll
it.
see you guys coming up here.
Alright guys,
So what we're gonna want to do is, right before we left, you're gonna want to cook them for 1 minute on each side, on medium heat. Just flip them around. Make sure they absorb all that juice, all that butter, all that olive oil. We'll put them down here. I'm just gonna flip them now,
Look how good that rice looks.
We gotta get another. Well, we could just, you know how it be.
And just come back for more.
This is just what they call in the restaurant game an entree, you feel me? But we're gonna be even bigger than that. That's just a little, eye candy.
Yeah. No, not yet. So guys, I'm gonna try it for the first time. Ooh, goodness. It looks amazing though. Check it out, guys. Ooh. We did good, man.
I did better than good.
We did amazing. Oh goodness, that's good. We gotta do this more.
Oh yeah.
It was fun too, man.
Yeah, I want to do Wagyu beef
But that's expensive. Yeah, we could do that.
How much is that? Like 50 bucks more?
Beef, Wagyu beef is from Japan. It's like just like almost 100 a pound, man. Yeah.
Whoa. Damn.
No.
Bro. Now the rice. Perfect, guys.
These are jumbo wild caught shrimp.